Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Sunday, July 28, 2024. It's at 9:55 at night. So the futures open on Thursday night. This is for Friday's review. So on Thursday night, the future open, and it's kind of like it stayed right kind of within that zone, and it went up and then come back down to the other side, but it was able to stay above where it opened, and later it make a kind of break out of this opening zone, and after that it's been kind of steadily kind of keep kind of moving higher. So that's like as we can see here is that it break out that and then later touched this basically went out kind of a break above this new field, what I call, and it get basically just kind of keep kind of hitting above here, and this is where the kind of the open about actually it's not open, it comes at 8:30. So at 8:30 it kind of like came down quite some, pretty volatile here, and so we can see here going really big up and down here, but in many sense it's kind of like among this center. This is the center of Thursday, and it's kind of chopping around that center, so which kind of I would say makes sense, and later only to see it kind of going higher, and probably better to see it on the S&P 500 here. So this kind of like when after it opened, is quickly was able to touch like 1.5 level here, what I call, and then go higher and come back down, and this is a really big kind of a pullback, and this is kind of resounding the volatility on the previous 2 days, and it went up a lot and then come back down a lot, but this time it's able to stay above this opening center level here, and later it apparently found its footing and kind of steady kind of going higher here, and it went all the way up to this 5480 level and even higher. So eventually it kind of stopped right around like 5488. So if we remember 88 points, that's how many the market move like on the other crazy day that move over 100 points, and it stopped right here and coming back down, and it went back down really hard. It essentially hit get back to the middle of the day, and this apparently a very important level. It kind of bounced back, and later kind of come back down again, and it's I have to say it's already rough. So this is after in the afternoon it moved kind of 1, 2, 3. So talking about from 5488 to 5448, that kind of over 40 points, almost kind of 50 points move here, and it's very volatile when it get to the close. It retraces back up a lot, and this is like a 47, and this almost like a 20 points, kind of another kind of back and forth. Eventually it closed at right around the middle, which kind of like makes sense. Now the future already have open, and it seems like pretty bullish, and right now it seems like it's consolidating, and I would expect probably likely probably want to go even higher, and as we can see it's able to kind of go higher than Friday's high, so likely it's have more gas in the tank to go even higher from here. Well, it could pull back, so I won't be surprised if it pull back at least to the middle, which I believe is around this level. So now let's look at the calendar. So calendar for next week, for some Monday is not really have anything until 10:30. There's Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index, and then have the 11:30. That's as usual the Treasury bill auctions. And at 3 o'clock, I have a Treasury refunding financing estimates. So, and after that, pretty much that's it for Monday. And this week, one thing very important is that there's a Fed meeting starting on Tuesday, and Tuesday have the home price. But really, the most important things to watch out is, I would say that's on Wednesday that's a Fed interest rate decision, and then 2:30 have the Fed press conference. So we'll see. It seems like the market trying to front run the Fed meeting, and it's kind of really ridiculous. It went down that much. The last few days it came back, and now kind of want to come back even higher. So it will be interesting to see that how Monday is going to kind of unfold. Yeah, lastly, the Friday it moved 57 points. It's almost 60 points. So on Monday it should move at least 30 points. So we'll see. Likely it will move at least 30 points on Monday. So with that said, the Monday would be, yeah, it could go back to challenge, trying to get back to this 54.90 level, or going down it will be hitting this. Well, we shall see. If going down, it probably going to hit a 54.30 level, which around the low of the of a Friday. So wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.